2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class. About its engine and performance. All Mercedes-Benz CLA-Class sedans are motivated by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Gears are shifted by a 7-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, and all-wheel drive is available. The CLA-Class offers handling that's polished, with nicely calibrated steering, minimum body roll when cornering, and a pleasantly firm brake pedal. Still, downshifts from the gearbox are occasionally clunky. Different drive modes, eco, comfort, sport, and individual, give you the ability to tailor the car's performance to suit your preferences. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Though it's one of the least expensive models in the automaker's range, the CLA-Class boasts a cabin that looks like it belongs in a Mercedes-Benz. The center stack is clean and modern, embellished with a trio of artful circular air vents. The front seats are pleasantly spacious, but there's limited headroom in the second row due to the car's sloping roofline. This sedan provides 13.1 cubic feet of cargo space. Infotainment and connectivity. The CLA-Class is equipped with Mercedes-Benz's latest infotainment system, and it features a touchpad-equipped steering wheel and console-mounted control pad. Overall, the setup is easy to use and configure. A 7.0-inch display is standard, along with Bluetooth connectivity and an 8-speaker sound system. All models come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. The options list includes an upgraded Burmester audio system and Sirius XM satellite radio. About its safety, it have 1. Standard automated emergency braking. 2. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Available adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.